Hello guys, last time we had stopped here and today I'm going to be showing you how to get a SSL certificate for your website. So first of all, let's go to Cloudflare. Search for Cloudflare. So Cloudflare is an American web infrastructure and website security company providing content delivery, network services, DDoS migration, internet security and blah blah blah. And just click on this first website. Okay, now here you have to click on sign up. If you already have an account, then you can click on login. Right now I don't have an account and I'm going to paste my email right here, and then you can enter the password and all, and then you can sign up. I'm just skipping this part because I don't need to show you the password and the email. And you will be redirected to this page. Now you can enter the site name name of our site and click on add site. Okay, so here our site will be added. Now we need to make some changes in the name servers and all. So first of all, it will tell what we have to do and we have to follow the steps. Okay, so we'll wait. Okay, so you will arrive at this page. Just select the free plan and click on confirm plan, and this will take you to the dashboard. So now it will scan the DNS records. Okay, now what we have to do is proxy traffic for AA ad records by clicking the cloud icon. What is it saying? Okay, add an MX record. Okay, so click on continue. Pointing to Cloudflare is critical by activity. Cloudflare is unable to manage. Okay, so remove these name servers. So our this infinity free name server should be removed and should be replaced by these name servers. So now just click on the name servers again and paste the name servers which we copied just now. Similar with this one, and paste it and click on change name servers. Okay, so it's again saying sign in, so I'll just sign in. Okay, it's saying that the changes are saved successfully and done. Check name servers. Yeah, okay, so now it's protecting our site. Wow. So we have to if someone directly types our address, then you have to always force HTTPS and click on done. Right there, guys. It might take some time to connect all the things, and let's try out. If it still says not secure, we will wait for some time because sometimes this happens. So let's wait for it. So let's check on SSL TLS. So it's protecting the master CS. Yeah, okay, no requests it's saying. Okay, so add certificate. Let's check out some settings for that. Let's click on add certificate. So no, always use HTTPS. Enable HTTP 6 strict. Okay, so why is it saying like that? Let's reload it. Why it's taking time, I don't know. Okay, so it will take some time. Till then we should log into our WordPress dashboard. Just type /wp admin and you will be on the dashboard. So it's saying login, and you have to log in with your credentials, admin, and let's enter the password. And okay, I'm gonna click on remember me and click on login. So I'm on the dashboard. Yeah. So next video we are going to see how to move the the website from local to live. Thanks for watching guys, and keep watching the videos and keep learning. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.